Okay, this is kind of my truck on a warm startup. Can you even hear that? I mean, I hear wind, and that's it. I can't even hear my own truck running. Now, I get up here to the engine, I can hear it. Barely. I just want to show y'all that stock muffler, stock DPF filter, and then, oh man, stock catalytic converter. Yeah, catalytic converter. Okay, that was just to show that everything's still there. And as you can tell, it's still really quiet. I'm at the tailpipe, I can't even hear it. See, tailpipe. I can't hear it. So that's just bone stock. No EFI Live, full exhaust. Thank y'all.